I think we're a little crooked today. There we go. So here's the KC 135. I'm figuring out this thing still. It's got all these things I can do with it. And I'm learning. Okay, this is the KC 135. This is right by our headquarters over here. Andrew and TJ are in there. They won't come out here though. They're too afraid to go on camera. There's TJ. There's Andrew. I'm making them come out here today to do my Facebook Live with me. Say hi. All right. This is where we just walk around.
We're just here to say hi, actually.
All right, that's fine. Say hi to Grandma and Papa.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Papa. Hey, guys.
They're letting me out. Bye.
Bye.
There's the KC-10, still here. I didn't do a Facebook Live yesterday because nothing really changed other than the MD-11 left. The C-130 came in later. F-16 still here. They're doing their thing.
I'm not sure.
There's a long line waiting to go up into the KC-10 here. I was just helping keep people away from the airplane as they were towing it. And there was a ton of people coming up to me asking questions. They were really curious about it. I said the guys and gals in the blue flight suits can answer those kinds of questions. I don't know the technical specifications.
Rotates 90 degrees down, and then there's a door behind the cockpit that opens, and there's the engine has a drive shaft that runs a fan, so it lifts you to different places.
That's the F-35. Doc is still here. So I found out what they're doing for STEM education. They're raising money to build a hangar in Kansas where they're located. They're raising money to build a hangar for Doc, and then what they're going to do is have like places for kids to come and do field trips, and then they can do activities related to STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and math. And what they'll do is they'll compare it to like what it was back when Doc was first designed. Doc's a B-29 that was used in World War II. And so they're going to compare it to engineering then and engineering now. So they're calling it like the abacus of engineering. So it'll be really cool to see what they do with that. They got a woman working on that right now. C-17 got here after the show yesterday about 6 o'clock. This thing is massive. Like, there's just so much iron on this ramp this week. It's crazy. So we got the C-17 here. That's like crammed in here. You can see it up to the tail of the C-5 there. I mean, there's enough space. It's just kind of an optical illusion from this angle, but it's close. Then the C-5 is still here, letting people walk through there. We did something really fun. So that right engine there, I made some leggings for a couple of the girls here that volunteer on the ramp, a couple of the teenage girls here. And they were airplane leggings, and so we were out here doing some fun pictures, and the C-5 crew saw us, and they're like, oh, we can do it really, really quick, but they can go up in the nacelle there and take some pictures. So I got some really fun pictures of them sitting in there. We got some pictures by the Millennium Phenom with the Star Wars, Star Trek theme that's over there too. So there's letting people walk through there. Check it out. So this year they actually have the F-16, like a demo team here. They're calling them the Viper, F-16 Viper demo team. I drove one of the guys to his car the other day. They're pretty cool guys. And I heard they have t-shirts there that say "Making Air Shows Great Again," and I haven't gotten over there to buy one. I see it there, right there. Making Air Shows Great Again. More stuff from Luke. Mosquito got moved over here. And then there's a hidden C-130 over here. Like there's just so much airplanes on this airplane ramp right now. So much iron. There's a good view. It's literally like playing Tetris with airplanes, trying to get them all on here. And then you don't realize how big this ramp is until you get a C-5 and a C-17 and a B-29 and a KC-135 and a KC-10. You don't realize how big the ramp is until you're able to get all that on there. And then we still got these over here. This didn't really change much from yesterday.
Yeah, so there may be a reference.
A lot of people here. It's cooler today. It was cooler yesterday too. I'm wearing a sweatshirt right now. It's a welcome relief from the heat that we had earlier this week. It's very windy though. The night air show got canceled on Wednesday. They started it and it started raining, which is fine, but then there was some lightning, so they canceled it, and then they rescheduled it for last night, which was cool because didn't necessarily have to do that. And then there'll be another night air show on Saturday. Then here is the back of the C-130, letting people in there. Check it out. And this is really cool right here. Look at that. Look at those tails. Airplane Tetris. Oh, should I go photobomb this? They're taking pictures. And here's the view from the other side of the ramp. So that's about it for today. See you guys tomorrow.